This is Venkatesh. I noticed very interesting tool, especially in intraday traders, is very useful for speculators. So our topic is NST. Okay, let's start. The tool is NST means number sequence tool. NST means number sequencing tool. Okay, there are two questions running in trade's mind. They are when to buy, when to sell. Only the two things running in the trader's mind, right? Sometimes some confusion with the indicators and price moves, and these some doubts are created in the trader's mind, right? These types of situations are in daily trading life cycles. So these type of situations we can use the NST concept. Especially I working on this concept last 2 years. This is a very accuracy near to 80%. Okay, I am very happy to introduce this tool for intraday traders or speculation traders also. Right, using the NST, we may observe some crucial points. That is high created and low created. These two are essential for the trade. I mean trade entry. These 2 points are essential for trade entry. That means we take the decision buy or sell. That is the key questions in the trader's mind, right? We can observe the at the time of high created or low created. The time of high created and low created is the time also important. Why is that? Why the time important is I will explain later, right? Okay. Next, in NST concept, I will explain 2 cases only for basic purpose, right? I will explain only 2 cases. If you believe, then I will talk to you, right? First case is sequence forming. For example, a tradable instrument taken, that is crude oil we are taken, right? Suppose market price is 3570, right? We want entry into buy. We want a buy entry, right? Yes. Suppose I will tell the figures. Please note down. 3543, 3421, 3321. These are the NST numbers. That means for buy entries, right? In this case, we are taking the last three digits of the numbers. Please note down. We are taking the last 3 digits of the number we are taken, right? Okay. Then we decide the trade entry. In this concept, key points are we must wait for the 3 minutes after low created or high created. We must wait for the 3 minutes. Please note down 3 minutes we are waiting. Wait for the entry, right? After 3 minutes, low or high are not broken. Then we enter the trade with stop loss of NST low or NST high. So very small stop losses in these cases. So I will prefer this concept. That's why I'm choosing this concept. Next, and accuracy was in this concept near to 80%. Please note down, accuracy was 80%. We're taking the trend trades. Success ratio is 8 trades, 100%, right? Basically, in daily intraday trading, we are daily truth. We have must we will trade in daily truth trades. Will happen. Next, I will show them in figures, right? First case is sequence forming is already explained in the report. Next, see example, crude oil price is 3570, right? We want binary. The matchable prices are in the form of log created. Please listen. 3543, 3421, 3321. Next, we want sell entry. Example price was 3564, and the matchable prices in the form of high created 3567, 3678, 3789. Please watch the last three digits of the numbers is the ascending series, right? So we want to buy entry, we can take the ascending series, right? Case 2, sequential numbers. For example, 3540, we are taking the price of the crude oil. We want to buy entry, right? The magical numbers in the form of flow created are 3536 means 3536, 3637 means 3637, 3738, that means 3738 is the decode. So these are the ascending numbers we take in the buy entry. Please watch, please listen, and please note down these figures also. The ascending series or numbers we use for buying purpose. That means we want to buy entry. Next, sell entry. The magical numbers in the form of high created are 3433 equal to 3433. 3322 3332 means 3332. Next, 3231 means 3231. These are the descending numbers. So we can take sell entry based on this NST concept. Very easy for identifying these numbers, but we are waiting for the 3 minutes after high created or low created. That is the must note down point. This is a very crucial point for us. Thank you for watching my concept. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to you want to like my concept, please like me. Thank you.